Hey guys, it's me, Ty, and welcome back to another video. Today, we are back playing Pokemon Infinite Fusion here today on the channel. And today, we are going to be hopefully battling the final and 8th gym leader. And well, yeah. If you guys enjoyed today's video of us doing what I just said, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe. But other than that, let's get right into this. Not that much else to say. Getting around the end of the game, so nothing really much else to do. The way the stairs work is a little weird. I did not notice that before. Okay. Let's go on then. I guess we start flying. If you guys haven't seen the last video, by the way, where we defeated the 7th gym leader, Blaine, you should definitely go check that out. We also got to explore the little haunted mansion on this island. But yeah, Sevi Islands. Head on over to here's Viridian City. Okie dokie. It should be where it is. Yep. Oh, wait, there's a guy still in front of it. Does that mean he's not here yet still? Because we all know by now that the gym leader is Giovanni. Yeah. Okay. I guess we gotta go find him then, I guess. Could he be on the Sevi Islands? Because it said that they said here there was like I think it might have been a story that there was something blocking access to the islands. So that might be part of the story. So let's see if we can check this out. Because we're gonna have to manually swim using surf. So let's go. Oh yeah, it's got the current. And they're gonna have to figure out how to get there. Oh. I was about to say, I'm surprised we haven't encountered the Pokemon. Ooh, Whalmer! Ooh. Could be some cool Whalmer fusions. Don't kill. Oh, dang it. Yeah, I shouldn't have done that. That was guaranteed kill. How do we get over here? Oh, wait. The island, duh. Just gonna have to go through. Oh, wait, I see. Yeah, there's little parts that you have to go through. Uh oh, we accidentally just kicked this backwards. Ooh, Tentacle could have some good fusions. Let's try and catch him. With a Pokemon that won't one-shot him, of course. Hopefully. Because these guys are surprisingly low level. Either we're just over leveled or I don't know. Quick attack should not kill. Do good damage though. Oh, that just increased its defense. Increase the speed a little bit. Oh, crit. Okay. Uh-oh. We're gonna have to catch it now. Do not want poison damage to harm us. Ouch! Oh god. Let's use an Ultra Ball. There we go. Let's heal this poison. Oh my god. That just did so much poison damage, probably. Let's just use a full restore. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this guy. Dude, we gotta catch him. Never mind. Forgot that was gonna one shot. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, that just kicks us all the way back. Okay, there's gotta be some more specific we need to touch. I don't know if we want Seal. He's kind of bland, honestly. He's quite literally just a seal. Already caught Tentacruel? Just keep going through. We just already caught Tentacruel. We don't need Tentacool. What is this? Tentamer? What is it fused with? Is it Grimer? I don't know, but we're not catching it. Oh, okay. Dragon Scale. Ooh. Where do we go? Tentacruel. Oh, it's Tentacool and Tentacruel combined. That's so funny. Come on. Please say this is the right way. I don't know where we're going. Nope, it isn't. Maybe we just want to go this direction. Yeah, it looks like this way is the right way. Or not. Geez, this is like a water maze. I have no clue where we're going. Oh! It looks like it's eating him or something. Okay, we're getting a lot of encounters. Do we have any repels? No, we don't. Dang it. Oh no, this is annoying. Come on. Gotta be something around here. And the encounters are crazy. That is not appealing looking. Oh no. The encounters just getting more common. Okay, this is getting annoying. Okay, really annoying. We might want to head back and buy some repels. Whew. I wish there was a way we could figure out how to navigate. Let's just get 10 of these things. Also, do we have anything to sell? Yeah, a maniac will buy it at a high price. Okay. That should be good. Do you tell us anything? I don't know how we're gonna get there either. There's gotta be a way. Oh wait, I see, okay, okay. I'm figuring this out now. Oh, light blue waters. It's when we're getting close. Yeah, there we go. There we go, we made it. And there's the bow. Arifa Corsula. That's funny. There's a person running in circles up there. What are they doing? Ooh, Firestone. Oh, Team Rocket's here. We're going to fight them. Wheezing, no problem. Really low leveled, surprisingly. Into Ode. Oh. That thing is very weird looking. We can't encounter any Pokemon because it's the repel. Should run out though eventually. There we go. Nope. No more rebel. Let's see what Pokemon are in this mountain. Or weird abomination rat hybrids. Oh no. Not good. There's puzzles here. Oh no. Oh. That's intimidating. Oh wait, there's no puzzle, it's just button. Flamethrower. Ledzing? Oh, well that's actually kinda, it's not that bad. It's interesting. Turned off. There's no Pokemon have been spawning. There might not be a Pokemon in this cave. What's going on? Is this a cutscene? Oh my god. At long last, Moltres, the third and final legendary bird. Oh wow, they have all of them already except Moltres? Team Rocket's trying to capture the birds? Why? Master Ball? Oh wait! They around the beginning of the game they were trying to fuse all the Pokemon. Are they gonna try and fuse all 3 legendary birds? Oh no. That might be a boss battle or so. I don't know. It's gonna be tough though. Oh yeah, they're leveling up down here. Gobafett. Even when it's super effective, it takes those bites. We really need to get something better than bite though, seriously. When do we learn crunch or something? Oh, that's cute. But it's also gone. Oh. Oh yeah, they're capturing it. Why is there a ring around it? Oh, they caught all of them. Oh, they're getting ready to fuse them. Oh no. We need to hurry. But we first gotta heal because they are gonna be prepared. We're ready to go. A lot of Team Rocket guys. This guy's got 3 Pokemon. Houndape? Oh, that's kind of cute. Really goofy looking. Steedoom? Oh, interesting. That didn't hurt at all. Weedos? Okay. That doesn't sound right. Okay, keep moving. Another Team Rocket guy. We avoided them. Here they are. Oh, so this fusion's just like god power? Oh, we gotta battle Giovanni. What? Oh, yeah. Oh, it is a boss battle. Wait, does it have 3 health bars? It's level 50 though. Oh my god. Wait, can we hurt all of them with Surf? Yes. That's genius. Okay, this... Ow. They all attack at once? We're faster though. Okay, one of them's down. Level up. Dude, these things hit hard. Thunderbolt. No, Bestazard. Oh my god, no. What are we gonna do? Do champ. He's pretty good. He's Shadow Sneak. That didn't do much. Oh no. Yow. Oh, he got some solid damage in. Come on, Gengar. Oh my god. One's down. One more. Oh no. On. One of our first, second, not really our first, our second ever fusion is gonna get the dub. Or not. Oh no. Yes! Let's go! The original cool fusion. The victory. They unfused manually. Oh, they're out of there. Oh, but Moltres stayed. Oh, he just gave up. Okay, he ran away. He gave up. Okay. Oh, can we catch Moltres? Ooh, we can fight and catch Moltres if we want. Let's try and heal first. Before then. Okay, let's do this. I think that's good. We don't want to waste many heals. Let's catch a Moltres. Yow. Oh, okay. I was hoping it turns out didn't kill. Jeez. Okay, Gengar can take some hits while we try and catch it. Let's go. Ultra Ball. Uh-oh. This is gonna be a lot of back and forth. Uh-oh. Oh no. This is the worst part about catching legendaries. How long it takes. Come on. Here, Premier Ball. You like the fancy Pokeball? No, you don't. Oh no. I gotta try every type of Pokeball. Come on. I'm not using the Master Ball on it. It's only a Moltres. It's not really worth the Master Ball. Come on. At least shake once. Jeez. These things are way too tough to catch. Yeah. Okay, we got two. Oh, dang it. We are running out of Pokemon. Let's do some revives. Come on. This is gonna take a while. I guess I'll see you guys once I catch this thing. It's gonna take a little bit. Okay, we got it. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, that didn't take too terribly long, but still. We got it. Legendary bird. Let's go. Okay, he exited through here. Oh. He flew, even though we had to... Oh, that's so annoying. Ice pick? Oh, yeah, I forgot. To get the other legendary birds. I'm guessing we can't do triple fusions, but still, pretty cool. Okay, well, let us ride on it. We're going to the Sevi Islands. Cool. Not islands. Cool. Do they have a Pokemon Center here? Yes, they do. Oh, wow. It's got 2 doors. Oh, it's a big one, that's why. Cool. We definitely need to buy more stuff. DNA splicers, we could always use more of these. It's the whole theme of this game after all. Ultra Balls, we're gonna need more of these. Like, a ton more. There, I think we're good. A lot of money spent. I don't have any heart scales. 5 heart scales for an egg? And an egg for heart. Okay, heart scales are currency here. Okay, so that's probably a cool quest or something. A lot of stuff to see here. Is this a Mega Lucario? Yeah, that's like a Mega Lucario. Is a Lucario fusion Mega Lucario? Is that what he's saying? Okay. Okay, that's interesting. A battle lounge. This place is neat. Not much else to see though. Except that in the water. Art scale, okay. Okay, I guess we head back now. Cinnabar Island we go. Okay then, I guess we gotta go fight that gym leader now. He'll probably be back at the gym. Let's quickly save. That was pretty nuts. Let's fly. Yep, we have the 70 islands unlocked. Now we just need to head to Radiant City. Yep. Okay, let's go in. First, we have some rare candies that we should probably use. Where are these? Up here. Just use them because probably be good. Stone Edge, ooh. Good move, it'd probably miss like a ton though. I'll take it anyway. Okay, cool. Wait, this guy doesn't even know who the gym leader is? Whatever. Oh, his gym's got these puzzles. Oh no. Oh, these guys are tough. Okay, really defensively very tough. Not with special attack though. Ow, earthquake hurts. Lot of trainers. A lot of trainers. Why is he crying? Oh no. That's not good. Oh god, we're gonna have to heal already. Yeah, definitely the final gym. It's tough. Revive. All that just for a revive? Huh? Get out of here. King. It looks cool, but the sprite is so tiny. Gold choke? Oh god. I guess we head back down. Uh-oh. Didn't know that. Forgot about that guy. Oh, what on earth? Interesting. The fusions are definitely starting to look tougher. Joltnix? Oh, it's got a little thunderstone in it. That's neat. Lickiwack? Oh, Marowak Lickwick. I was confused for a second. I was like, wait, what is it? Wow, there's a lot of tough fusions. And that hurts. Oh. Oh. Marowak makes a something. It's cool looking. It's confusing at the same time though. Looks a bit feral or something. We have like ethers, right? Because we're using up a lot of BP. Or not ethers, elixirs. Or whatever they're called. Yeah, ether. Here we are. Probably should heal. Here, give us some lemonade. Five strongest. You're gonna do well. You will do well against ground types. You probably not as much. You're psychic poison type? So probably not. You'll do well. You should do solid. Yeah, I'd say you'd do the better one. We haven't used our Beedrill and Alakazam fusion much, but at the same time though, there's a lot of situations where it's not gonna do much. This is very interesting. You did the same thing. Dang it. Get out of here. Yeah, this guy's a lot tougher than all the just normal trainers. Dynamic punch. No. Blissitaur. Oh wow, that looks cool. What type is this thing? Weak to water. That's what it is. Nightmare. Oh. Electric Trio. Oh, that's funny. Oh, ouch. Paralyzed, no. Okay, but he's out there. Oh, champ. Oh, that's neat. Oh, no. Don't hit yourself. Oh, no. Blastoise was our saving grace. Come on. You, champ, can do this. Sacred Sword. Yeah. Rylax. Oh, he's just chubby. Strong and chubby. Oh, no. Okay. Something that can resist Earthquake. Tailwind. And it has Orange Drill. But Enters Out hurts. Yeah. And now, Go-Chan can outspeed and get the finishing blow. Sky Uppercut. Never mind. Never mind. Oh my god. There we go. Get out of here. No Focus Punch. Yes! We did it! The final gym leader. Earth Badge. Yes. Earthquake. We did it! Woo! Now, all we need to do is fight the Elite Four and become the champion. Yes. Okay, well, I think that's a good place to end off today's video of Pokemon Infinite Fusion. We got to fight Giovanni 2 times, in fact. First, fighting him with his amalgamation of the legendary birds. And then, we got to fight him as a gym leader and get the final gym badge. And we also caught Moltres. I guess it's also a bonus. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to like down below and subscribe. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next Pokemon Infinite Fusion video. Goodbye.